Welcome to today's session. We are going to continue building websites without writing a line of code. But what I'm going to focus on this session is we are going to build a beautiful blog without having to edit or do anything. We're just going to get a blog that has been completed already and just make it available on our website. Something very, very attractive and exciting. So without further ado, let's get started. I'll go to my htdocs just like I explained when we were installing WordPress. I'll click on local disk. I'll go to XAMPP, look for htdocs. So I'll open a new folder here which I'll call my blog. I'll just call blog. Then remember we have to copy our WordPress files which and paste it inside our folder that we created. So I'll go to my WordPress here, then get all the files here, copy it, then come back to my htdocs, open the blog folder I created and paste it there, which are the WordPress files that we're going to use for our website. So I'll pause it and continue after it is done. Okay, so it has been copied and that's pasted completely. So I will come to this file which is wp-config-sample. I will rename it as usual. So I remove the sample, I remove the dash config, I remove the dash sample, I press enter. Next thing I'll right click, I'll go to edit with notepad. I'm going to make some changes there, some edits there. So I'll come here, I'll give it my blog name. I can call it my blog. Then the username, remember the username is going to be root and the password is going to be empty. But if we're using the online hosting, we don't need to go through this process. This is because we're using the local server, which is XAMPP. So remember the name of your database which you use here, my blog, all in small letter. I close this, then I go to my browser, then I will run it. Make sure your XAMPP is working. My XAMPP is running at the moment. If I click on this, my XAMPP is running at the moment. So I'll say localhost / the name of that folder that we created in our htdocs blog. So I'll say localhost / blog. But I cannot do that yet because it won't work yet. I need to first go and link my database in my dashboard, my localhost dashboard. I'll say /php my admin. So let's wait for that to load. So this is our admin here. Okay, so I'll click on new, then I'll come here and write my blog, which was the name that we wrote for the database when we edited it. I'll click on create. Now open a new tab. I'll say localhost / name of that folder, which is blog. So this folder is one that is holding our website content. Is the one I'm going to run. If it's online server now, it will be www. Whatever your domain name is. So www.myblog.com, www.blog.com, www.entertainmentblog.com, and so on. So we are here. It means we've done everything right. Click on continue. Then here if I start title, I can come here and just write blog. Username, I can say admin. For the password, because we're using offline server now, we can just go simple by using 1 2 3 4 5. Please don't forget the password. That's what we're supposed to log in. The internet is very weak, but say you should know where you can use a very weak password. I use my email account here, so you can put your email account there. The site title, the username, admin, password is 1 2 3 4 5. Then we click on install WordPress. So while it's installing, I'll pause. Then we'll continue after it is done. So it has installed successfully. Now we need to log in. So I can click on login here, or I can come here and say localhost, because I just type localhost / blog. We have this, but we now need to log in. So I'll come here and say localhost / blog. If it's online server, www. whatever your domain name is /admin. Then we have this. So I will remember our login details. We use the username, we use blog if I'm not wrong. The password is 12345. So cancellation, I click on login. Oof, I think we got the name wrong. I think it's my blog. My blog. Then 12345. Oof. Wow. Oof, I've forgotten that we use admin as our username. Sorry for that. I'll say admin. 12345 as our password. So we should log in very soon. So we have that. So is it that you click on this login before, or did I show you this in case you close your tab and you have to open it again? You can always log in that way. So let me close this. So if you want to start our site, you come to this place. You click on visit site. So if I hold my control and I click on visit site, open a new tab. So this is what we have at the moment. This is how our site looks like. Very, very boring and ugly. So now I want to make it look better by installing the theme we need. So we'll go to appearance, go to themes. I'll explain theme in another section of this video. I'll go more into what theme is and what the plugin is. But see theme as the appearance of your website. Theme is like the skin of every human that covers the skeleton. So without a theme, our website can't have good appearance. I get to me. The theme of our website dictates how our menu will look like, how our widget will look like. Then we have plugin. Plugin is like an engine that makes our website work. It's one that dictates the ability that our website will have or the features that it will contain. So if I wrote my website taking payments to do other things like to optimize it and so like that, we use plugins that add new feature. If I want to create an e-commerce website now, I need another plugin that adds the e-commerce feature to our WordPress website. But I'll create a video to emphasize and explain more on that. So I've clicked on themes. I'll click on add new theme. So you click on add new theme, you'll see different type of themes that will come up. You can always click on upload theme if you have your theme already. But now I want to use one of the themes that are here. So yeah, I will say I'm going to use Zone today. Zone, Z-O-N. I'm going to Zone. So, and this is it. So I'll click on install, and let's wait while it installs. So we are done installing it, but it won't reflect on our site. So I come and I refresh this. Nothing changes yet. So I need to come here and click on activate. I need to activate it. So let's wait while it's activating. So now it is activated now. If you see this showing active, if I come to my site and I refresh this now, I was taking okay. Now you see the appearance of our website changes immediately because we have a new theme there, different from the default theme that comes with WordPress. Okay.